Hey guys, it's Max from Max Tech. Today we are going to be testing out and comparing the gaming performance between the brand new Galaxy S5e and Apple's new iPad Air 3. As you may know, Vadim is the one who typically does these gaming comparisons, but he is on a well-deserved vacation. So today you have me. My skill level for games is nowhere near Vadim's, but we're still gonna have a little bit of fun and see, can this even compete or get close to the iPad, which we know is a powerhouse with its A12 Bionic processor. With this faster processor, I also want to check out the load times because that could make a big difference in the day-to-day. There we have it. Took 36 seconds with the iPad, and with the Galaxy, there we go, 1 minute and 30 seconds. That's close to 3 times as long. Okay, first impressions, this looks terrible. I don't know if you guys could tell in the camera. Wow, it defaulted to quality low, 20 frames per second, and only 75% resolution. We can't do 20 frames per second. It has to be at least 30. Is it literally not letting me even go to medium settings? This is not a good sign. Okay. And with the iPad Air, look at the graphics in the lobby. That looks nice. Let's hop into the settings here. In defaulted, we're on Epic, 100%. 30 FPS. If we want, we can switch over to 60 frames per second. It's gonna lower it down to high frame rate. I like better graphics, so I'm gonna go to Epic, and we're gonna match the frame rate between the two. Right, in the party bus, it shows 30 frames per second. I hear somebody. No, I don't have a gun. Oh, please give me stuff. All right. You know what I realized? I think this is the first time I'm playing Fortnite on mobile. I played it on PC. Maybe I should have enabled the tap anywhere. Okay, where is this guy? Probably right behind me. Well, I got one little stutter there, and now it looks to be back to normal. Is that a gun? No, don't do that to me. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Is he above me? What? Bullets. Where's my gun though? It's kind of hard to tell where they're coming from when the sound is just from the right side over here. Let's see if I have any better luck with the S5e, and oh my goodness, I cannot believe the graphics. How is this possible? We're comparing Epic to low. Yes. Ammo. Whoa, stutter. It's a moment of truth. Did I kill him? Did I kill him? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, I hear more people. It definitely is easier to hear where somebody is coming from with the stereo speakers. In there? Oh, up there, okay. Take that, take that. No. Oh, respawning. Oh, I still have my shotgun. Nice. I think I might actually start playing Fortnite. I did not know you could respawn. Previously, you'd spend like 5-10 minutes trying to get some good stuff, get ready, and then you just instantly die. Somebody snipes you, and it felt like a big waste of time for me. Ooh. Okay, where's he being shot from? Somewhere over here. Ooh, there we go. Yeah! Okay, where are... Okay, why am I getting glitches? I don't think I killed... Oh, I did kill him. Woo! Okay, but I feel like I'm just a camper here. Woo! Okay, okay. No, he's sniping me. Oh, okay. Take that. All right, so I'm actually having a pretty good time playing here. I just really wish that those times where I'm running around, especially when I'm actually in an active firefight, and I'm trying to shoot somebody, they didn't get those little glitches and frame drops. Even on low, it can't keep up at 30 frames per second. Oh, no, dude. Come on. So the sound is pretty nice. It's definitely more immersive. It's not as heavy, but even at low resolution, 30 frames per second, I'm getting these glitches where it's going down to like, I don't know, 15, stuttering for, a split second. And if you're in an active firefight, and you start glitching up, that's definitely gonna affect your performance and you're gonna get killed. Whereas if you're playing with the iPad, you wouldn't. And on top of the graphics are way better. So I can enjoy myself, but man, I really wish I was playing on the iPad right now. All right, now it's time for Asphalt 9. Let's see how long it takes to load up. That was like 9 seconds or so. So not that much slower, about 12 seconds, not bad. Oh, I like the song, Legends. Shout out to everybody who watches Gary Vee out there. Gonna be legends, legends gonna get their attention. Change our controls. This game has an awesome soundtrack, and man, with these quad speakers, awesome. Another interesting thing is, gotta turn on the speakers, man, too loud. We have a visual quality setting here. High quality or default. I'm gonna go to high quality because I like my stuff to look good. A lot of aliasing. I'm getting a little confused about the touch to steer. There we go. Yeah, there you go. Come on, come on, nitrous, nitrous, nitrous. Yes, okay. A lot less aliasing. Definitely a lot less aliasing. This looks much nicer. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Yeah, almost no aliasing. Super smooth, and the graphics look nice. I mean, really nice. The speakers aren't as loud, even though they're maxed out. Back to the S5e, I'm gonna max out the speakers so you guys can hear the difference between these two. Loud, too loud, but I'm gonna keep it on. Yeah, oh my goodness, these graphics don't compare. No, I need that nitro. No, get it, get it. Okay, we're done. Let's turn that down, wow. So, my speakers are maxed out on the iPad now. It doesn't sound too loud. Better bass, better low end. Let me get it. No. But it's fine. Not as immersive, not as much in your face. Yep, all right, nitro. I could do with a little bit more volume on this one, honestly, compared to the last one. Especially with cool music, as long as you're not gonna annoy people. These graphics look like my Xbox graphics, seriously. They look fantastic, and it's super smooth. No glitching, no stuttering. I don't know what the frame rate is, but it looks great. Last time with the S5e here. Okay, yeah, a lot of aliasing, a lot of aliasing. Graphics don't look as good. Speakers are nice. This makes me feel like I'm playing a mobile game. Another thing I noticed is how much more comfortable it is to hold this in your hand. No, 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 please. Oh, it's close. So close. Yeah, it's much more comfortable to hold in your hand when you're playing. All right, guys, so what are my takeaways from this gaming performance? Well, going into this video, I already knew that the graphics performance of the S5e are about 1/3 of the iPad Pro's A12 processor. In my hands-on comparison, I ran some different benchmarks, and I was shocked by how much of a difference there is, even though both these tablets are kind of in the same price range. And then looking at Fortnite, when we got into that, it defaulted to low graphics settings. It wouldn't let me go any higher, and defaulted to 20 frames per second and at 70% resolution, and that has to say something, and it did. As soon as we got into the game, even though I bumped it up to 30, it really wasn't able to stick at 30. We got a lot of glitches, and it really did hurt the performance if you want to get serious with your gaming. It's gonna hold you back. Now in Asphalt 9, it's not that bad. It did let me go up higher, but with that said, there were some glitches, and the graphics really looked like, you know, a couple of years ago, the graphics that you would get with mobile games, whereas the iPad Air 3 looks phenomenal in Asphalt 9. I mean, same thing in Fortnite. I can't say Fortnite has phenomenal graphics, but for what Fortnite is, it looks really great and it's smooth. In Asphalt 9, it looks really good and it's super smooth. So if you're into gaming, the iPad Air 3 is definitely a better device. I think most of you guys probably knew that. My biggest question is, how does it fare for gaming? I know it's not gonna be as good as iPad Air 3, but overall, I just really cannot recommend it. If it's performing this poorly with such low graphics settings right now, think about a year from now, 2 years from now, maybe 3 years from now, it is gonna be terrible. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. I'd love to hear your guys' opinion. This has been Max with Max Tech. Hit that little circle above if you wanna see more videos like this one, including my full review of the Galaxy S5e. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.